Alright guys, I had a couple of people ask me what my process is for sharpening my VPA broadheads or something like it, whether it's a Montec or a Muzzy 1, any 3-blade solid head. Now when they come from the manufacturer, they are sharp, but I'm one of those guys that wants it hair popping sharp. So I mean, if you push a little bit, it cuts the rubber band, but not what I want. So first step that I go through that I found the best for these is Diamond Stone 1000 grit. I just lay it flat on the Diamond Stone and I back and forth motions, holding it flat to the stone. I start with 15. So 1, 2, 3. Flip it so you get all sides. Now, I did 15, now 10. Flipping every 10. Now, flip it after all 3 sides are done. 5. Once you get to 5, I mean, it's razor sharp now. So then I do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 2. All the way down to 1 each side. Now, this is ungodly sharp at this point, but you could still just about make out that you could see the roughed edge or burrs from the Diamond Stone. So then I go to a strop. This is a piece of heavy-duty rawhide that I've put some green rubbing compound on, like jeweler's polishing compound. This strop right here was made by Anthony at AP Rustic Creations. If anybody's looking for something like this, it's rawhide on one side, smooth leather on the other side. So I'll do 15 just drawing back on the rawhide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15. Flip it. And you're not putting a lot of pressure on this. And you could feel as it's getting severely honed because you don't even feel it touching the rawhide. It just like slides across it. Now that was 15 on the rawhide part. Now I'll go to the smoother side and I'll do 10 drawing back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the way down to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 1. 1. That is hair popping sharp now. You can see how polished and honed it is. I go one step further. There's no need to. This is an even smoother type of leather. Another little block that Anthony from AP Rustic Creations made for me. And I'll just hit it 5 swipes on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the way down to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Just a little piece of arrow with an insert in it. You don't need it with these type of heads. You can hold them flat on your own. Just something I use. Now you wipe it clean, and I mean that is. Some people may think this is over the top, but just realize what this is being used for. So, as surgical as you could get it, the better off you're gonna be. And a true test is how I usually test it. Just rubber band, stretch it. Barely touched it. Stretch rubber band. That's hunting ready. Hope this helped.